Hey y'all, it's your girl Denai Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today's video will consist of me resetting my life for 2025. Y'all, today is December 31st, New Year's Eve. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me as I clean up my house, do maintenance, all that good stuff, y'all. This video is gonna probably come out January the 2nd or the 3rd. And I'm not really tripping about it because my friend, I want to follow my friends, but tell them, hey, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I'm not really sure about when the video will come out because things happen and I'm still a beginner at this YouTube stuff. So I just had to do what I can work with. And y'all have to get, by the time y'all see this video, my Vlogmas video should be out. But they're going to be out really late. Like, they might be out in 2025. I don't care. I'm still going to post. I worked hard. I had a lot going on during me recording Vlogmas. That's why it's taking me so long to get the Vlogmas videos out. But yeah, y'all see that whether it's 2024 or 2025, y'all see, I don't care. I'm still gonna post them because I want y'all to see the footage that I put together. I worked really hard for it. But yeah, y'all. So today, like I said, I'm cleaning up. I'm currently cleaning out my closet because I'm gonna take some clothes to the Goodwill that I do not wear, do not touch, do not even think about. And there's no point of it sitting in my closet because I don't wear it. So give somebody that might need it. And I'm also washing clothes, y'all. I have four loads of clothes to wash. I just put one in before I started the video. I'm trying to fit the schedule. It's 12:43 right now, y'all. So like I said, I am cleaning out my closet. I'm just going through stuff that I don't want to wear. Right here, y'all, looks really crazy. All this stuff right here I got to go through, determine if I want to keep or if it's going in these bags. And I'm going to take them clothes to the Goodwill, drop them off. And yeah, y'all, and the plan is to also do my hair. Y'all could have seen the Vlogmas. I look like a bum all 3 weeks of Vlogmas. My hair was not done. I have a full house of family members, and it's kind of hard taking time for yourself, especially that it's kids living with me, baby siblings, all that good stuff, y'all. So I have to take care of them. I can't really take care of myself. My priority is to worry about them, make sure they're good and okay, y'all. Sorry about the lighting. And yes, I've had time for myself to get myself together, get my mental health together, all that good stuff. My physical appearance together. It hasn't been the best, but I'm working towards that. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, the plan is to do my hair. I need to dye my hair, dye my bundles, and glue them in. That's a quick weave. And y'all, I also plan on doing my lashes and my nails. Cause I'm not about to go to the new year with an head. Clock that. But yeah, y'all, and I do plan on filming a Christmas haul, but whenever I get all my stuff, that video will be in 2025 because holidays mess up orders and you don't get them. You don't always get your orders on the day you expect them to arrive, and that was Christmas Day for me. And a lot of stuff that I did get, I ordered it after Christmas. And yeah, but y'all, some of the stuff is here, but I have a lot more items coming, so I might show y'all a few things that I got. For starters, I got this nail set because I want to start doing my own nails instead of going to somebody paying them when I can do it myself. I got a whole Gel X nail kit. This came with the kit. This a nail dryer, a nail lamp. These are the hands that you can put the colors on, y'all. These colors are so tea, like so tea, so pretty. And other good stuff, y'all. Some of the stuff I've already previously had, and this stuff came with it. And yeah, y'all are gonna see that later in the clip whenever I do my nails. But yeah, I just wanted to come up here and open the video up. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, great holidays, and happy New Year's Eve to y'all. So without further ado, let's get to the video. It's 4:30 almost, and I just finished cleaning out my closet, y'all. Well, I ain't finished cleaning. I went through all the clothes that I need to go through, y'all, and I just put my last load of clothes in to wash. So after that, I'm on to washing the clothes in my mom's bathroom. But yeah, y'all, my car, I'm finna go to the Goodwill and drop all these clothes off. My whole car is filled with bags of clothes. And I filled up 5 bags full, y'all.
Oh shit! Stop doing that, John.
Let me turn y'all down, cause my friends connected to the car. Who would be doing what? Cause I know y'all ain't talking about me.
No, answer.
I'm just playing. I know y'all wasn't talking about me. But yes, y'all, we finna go to Goodwill because they close at 5 o'clock. And it's 4:28. And baby, these dads finna get out my house to get out my car, y'all. Because I carried all these big old hidden behind bags to my car, y'all. 5 bags, y'all. And they stuffed, y'all. They're stuffed. Like, and these ain't the good trash bags. These like heavy duty for stuff like this. Like, they work pretty good, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Baby, that was a man job lifting all the bags up in that car. Ain't nobody try to help me. Like, look at that, y'all. It's a bag up here right beside me, y'all. That don't make no sense. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna go to the Goodwill.
Yeah, I gotta get there early because I don't want nobody thinking about it. I have dedicated.
I'll let y'all know when I get there, y'all. It's really hot.
It started.
I'm weak. This don't make no sense. Y'all, I'm never doing this again. I just dropped off the bags and baby, that was a process. I'm tired, y'all. I'm out of breath. All I did was pick up some bags and give them to somebody. And he's picking up the bags like they ain't nothing. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get better y'all when I get home because I still gotta clean up.
much. And baby, if it's so deep down me, I'm missing too much. Baby, if it's so deep down me, am I doing too much? Baby, if it's so deep down me, if it's so deep down me. Usually I can let down my guard. So easy just wanting not to fall with me. Usually I make a wish so hard. You let some rules about you always more time. Still you never wanna get in the look at me like that. 'Cause I'm with all the shades and I'm trying to breathe. That he gon' break my back. I'm talking for me. I don't wanna complicate it.
I'ma put some blame on me. Trying to take accountability, but you take all my ability. You're the death in me and unity. I'll be doing too much. Doing shit I really shouldn't do for me. That's why I always say come through for me. This time I'll be through for me. This time I'll be through for me. Because I really shouldn't do for me. That's why I always say come through for me. Baby, where you at? This time I'll be through for me. Bring me that. This time I'll be through for me. And everything you used to say, everything you used to do, came right out the door. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you, but you know they've heard it all before. What more can you say when love won't let you walk away and it can't help who laughs, and you find yourself giving it all away when you think you're enough. 'Cause I wanna be the one who believes in your heart is so far. So please be me who leaves when you're gone because you're so far. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is so far. Please be me who leaves when you're gone because you're so far. Everybody say I wanna be the one you love. I wanna be. Everybody say I wanna be the one you trust. I wanna be. Everybody say I wanna be the one you need. I wanna be. Everybody say I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one who believes in your heart is so far. Please be me who leaves when you're gone because you're so.
Okay, y'all, so this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm currently right now, y'all, I'm editing the video right now as we speak. And yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, watching me prepare for 2025, doing my maintenance. I hope you guys all like that. Comment down below any video ideas you want to see. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all enjoy. Bye.